Guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to be making two appetizer dishes that are perfect for that big football game or any kind of party that you might be having. The first one is going to be Hawaiian pull-apart grilled ham and cheese sandwiches. And we're also going to make spinach and artichoke Hawaiian bread bowl. So let's get cooking. All right, guys, let's get our ingredients. Are going to be Hawaiian sweet rolls, cheddar cheese, ham steak, some pineapple for garnish, and butter. For the bread bowl, we're going to have the Kings Hawaiian sweet bread roll, artichoke hearts, spinach, ranch dip, Parmesan cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise. I went ahead and cut all of our ingredients. That way you don't have to watch all of that. Nobody cares about that part. We care about how to do it and getting to the end. So first of all, I took the Kings Hawaiian. They usually come in 12 rolls. I only need 9. You want to keep it together. So I kept my square, don't pull it apart, and then I just cut down the middle like this, right here. For my ham, I bought a ham steak and I just cut it into thirds, so it gave me my 9 pieces that will go on my rolls. For my pineapple, our store actually has the pineapple already peeled and cored for you, which is amazing, so easy. And then I just took that and cut it in half and made my half circle pineapple slices. That's just really for garnish and to show you it's like a Hawaiian theme. For the cheese, I just used shredded cheese, so let's get this on the stove. So I'm just going to take some butter and put it in my pan. I've got my pan on about a medium heat, and then I dropped it down. And then you just take your slices of ham, put it right in there. And this just kind of gets it brown, makes it pretty, and gets it warm. So you can just kind of look at it, flip it over. This is not going to be a long process by any means. And then you'll just transfer it back to your plate because it's already cooked. You're just warming it up. You're going to feel like you're in Hawaii. Whoop, whoop. So that's what you're looking for. So make sure you go ahead and have all of your ingredients right next to you because this is going to be a quick process. With using Hawaiian sweet rolls, you have sugar in there, so it is going to cook faster. So as soon as you get that bread in there, the bottoms, put the cheese on top really fast, okay? Again, start with some butter, just because, you know, that's the thing to do. So you're going to put the bottom on like that, and then put your cheese right on top. This is going to be preference. If you want a different kind of cheese, then you just have at it. Then you just place your ham on the top. Try to get it on the rolls so that when people pull it apart later, they're each going to get one. All right, so we're watching that cheese melting. We're gonna go ahead and put our top right on there, just like that. So I went ahead and pulled it off the burner, and now I'm gonna put a slice of butter on each roll. We're gonna throw this in the broiler to let it brown the top and help melt the cheese. And you can just put your pan right in there. All right, guys, it looks amazing. And it just slides right off because of that butter. So I'm just gonna garnish with some pineapple. And then you've got your Hawaiian pull-apart grilled ham and cheese. And people are going to love it. It's really good. I did top it with a little bit of cheese just to be extra. We like to be extra. All right, there you go. Enjoy. Aloha. Now that we have our pull-apart ham sandwiches done, let's move on to the bowl with the spinach and artichoke dip. Now this one, you can serve hot or cold, depending on preference. We prefer hot, so that's what I'm going to show you today. I went ahead and cut the bowl. Okay, so you're just going to hollow it out just like that, but you're not going to get rid of this. You're going to take this, cut it into cubes, put them on a baking sheet, throw them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and get them a little toasty. That way you use them to dip the dip with. Genius! These are my favorite Hawaiian recipes with the King's Hawaiian bread. Comment down below, do you have something that you like to do with it? Because I'd love to try other things. It's such a versatile, like, bread. I love it. And who doesn't like King's Hawaiian? I mean, it's sweet, it's fluffy, it's just magical. You're gonna bake those for 10 minutes on 350. The most important part for this is that you get a microwave safe bowl if you're gonna do the hot version, because you will need to put it in the microwave to warm it up once we get everything mixed together. And this is super easy. It's 1 cup of mayonnaise, whatever kind of mayonnaise you want. 1 cup of sour cream. Your artichoke hearts if you'd like to use those. Your spinach, and I just bought frozen spinach and then thawed it out. We're going to add that to the mixture. So this makes it healthy, okay? It counts out all that other stuff. Mix it together, just a little, and then you're going to add your packet of ranch. This is gonna be good. Y'all are gonna like it. Okay? Now mix everything really good together. With the artichokes, I did take them out of the can and I went ahead and cut them into 4s. If you want them smaller, you can do that. If you don't want artichokes, you don't have to. You can just leave those out. You're just gonna mix it till it's really combined well. And at the end, you're gonna add your Parmesan cheese. That is also gonna be 1 cup. So 1, 1, 1. Package of spinach, 9 to 10 ounces. And then your ranch packet, which those are 1 ounce. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. Just like that. You're gonna add your cheese. You can mix it in a little bit. Throw it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to start with. Take it out, stir it, and then if it needs to go back in, put it back in. I wish y'all were here right now so you could smell this. It smells so good. I went ahead and transferred my bowl out of the dish that it was in, put it on just a simple plate. Now we're going to take the dip, put it in the bowl. Oh, it smells so good. I love it warm. I was not a fan of spinach dip, and then I tried it warm. Yep, love it. And this just makes for a good presentation, you know? Just, I love it. I wish my Jaguars were going to be in the football game this weekend. Then it'd make it even better. I don't even know if I want to watch it. Ugh. Now, what I would recommend, look at that. It just fits like a glove, y'all. Or like a football. That didn't make sense. Take some cheese, sprinkle it on top. Hold on. Last minute addition, so it's not in a cute bowl. Just sprinkle it right on top. For all of you that are in super cold weather right now, you're like freezing to death, this is gonna be your best friend. Then we're gonna take our little bread that we toasted earlier, add it around the sides. Now, I probably should put it on a bigger plate, but this is the one my cameraman handed me, so we're gonna go with it. The other cool thing is if it's like just like a family event, you could just pull from the sides of the actual bowl and use that as your dip. So there you go. This is our spinach and artichoke Hawaiian bowl. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below. What is your favorite recipe using King's Hawaiian bread? These are 2 of my favorites, but I want to know what you guys like. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Bye. That are fun for the big football games or any kind of activity. just anything. Sour cream or anything, it's food, Priscilla. Today we're going to make 2 fun appetizers that are fun for any game. Everything's fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, I'm so excited. Everything's freaking fun. Sometimes you just nail it and then other times you don't. Does my hair look okay? So today we're gonna be making pull-apart grilled cheese and ham Hawaiian bread rolls. And we're also gonna be making, that didn't sound right. Today we're gonna be making pull-apart grilled ham and cheese. Today we're gonna be making Hawaiian pull-apart ham and grilled cheese. It doesn't come out naturally. Today we're gonna be making Hawaiian pull-apart. Can you like hold up a paper? That's what the real people do. Today we're gonna be making a Hawaiian pull-apart grilled ham and cheese. Today we're gonna be making Hawaiian grilled. Today we're gonna be spinach and artichoke Hawaiian bread bowl. Today we're gonna be making Hawaiian grilled. Today we're gonna be making Hawaiian. Gosh, my brain, what is wrong with you? Come on. There is our spinach and artichoke Hawaiian bowl. Spinach and So there you go.